Okay guys, I'm here live. As promised, I'm going to do a video here. I'm watching the market. I'll wait for you guys to join before I start sharing my philosophy. So watching the market, if you have any questions, just post it in the comment section, okay? I see many of you start joining this session, so I'll wait for you guys. Okay, I give a little commentary of the market first. I just want to let you guys know, the market is very tough. Nothing really moved much today except my investment stock. As you can watch the top 30 volume, it's very lackluster. I've not seen anything that can make a lot of money. So today is definitely not a day to trade the market. So today is definitely out there. So don't bother trading the market because it's very, very difficult to make money now. As you can see, as I start commenting on the market, can you see opportunity doesn't arises many times? Last week, if you traded Viking with me live, you made money. If you traded live 2 days, I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago when we traded Anchor Resource, you made money with me. For the next 2-3 days, as of now, today is Wednesday, for the next 2-3 days, if the market continues to be stagnant like that, it is very, very hard to make money. So, like I said, opportunity doesn't always knock on your door, so you got to capitalize on it. Okay, guys? Okay, any questions first before I start sharing my philosophy? Any questions? Okay. Guys, can you see this? Market is not moving. As usual, I'm watching the market. It's very hard to trade the market. The room is empty now. At 2 p.m. I may have a session. I don't know. Okay, so now everything is very stagnant. Market is just very boring. Look at the market, it's just very boring. Okay, it's noon, it's lunchtime. I guess most of them are having lunch. So later in the afternoon, I'll see if there's any stocks that I can make money out of it. But I can let you know it's very difficult. Okay, guys? Okay, I'll come back here. I'll back to my seat. Okay. Now, some of you I'll share my philosophy and stuff like that. So let me start. Yesterday was a eventful night because a lot of them came from my WhatsApp talk, and I think some of them signed in the middle of the night. I've added a lot of you in WhatsApp. The unfortunate thing is the market is not there, so I'm not going to give any WhatsApp call. When the market is going to come back, I'm going to start giving you guys WhatsApp calls. So make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Okay, so I just here at this point of time here, I just want to thank all of you who signed for my WhatsApp service, and I want all of you to make a lot of money. Okay, but patience is very important. Timing is the most crucial. So you guys have to give it a wait. Wait for the market to slowly start to churn back first. Okay. Now, some of you have expressed interest in my program. Some of you have expressed interest in my WhatsApp service. So I think I've get my team to call you. So if my team called you and if you think the program is not for you, or I believe I got feedback from my team, some of you are not confident in me, some of you may not find value in me, some of you may think, not for you. You know what? I tell you this, don't bother signing. because I don't need you also. You know what I'm saying? All I need is people who trust, who believe in me. I can show you how the job is done. And when I make the money, like I said, when I made the money, I'm not going to give you the price I gave you when earlier on my assistant called you. Okay, guys? Now, I just want to share something. Yes, I'm up $70,000. $70,000 in just a mere 3 weeks. Am I happy? It's just another day for me because I've done it before many times in my life. So, the one thing is, why am I able to do it? Not because I'm skillful, nor I got any tips whatsoever. It's because I got strong trust and belief in myself. I shared that yesterday in my workshop, and I'll share this, just a brief one here. I remember back in like 2006 when I was down like $200,000, and I was down when I was in my early 20s when I was down $200,000. When I try to borrow money, I can tell you this: no one is willing to even lend me $10,000 or $5,000. So from that point in my life, I know one thing: when you're in deep shit, when you're down, no one is going to help you. You have to help yourself. And I just told myself something, you know what, I'm going to work doubly harder, triply harder, and I'm going to find a niche in myself, and I'm going to get up stronger than ever before. So I work really hard. I don't go any parties. When my friends ask me for dinner, I reject every single one of them. When all of them are working in their day job, I'm working on my passion. I'm working on my skills. I'm polishing my skills. I don't care what people say. I don't bother what people think about me. All I care is, you know, I'm going to have my belief. I know what I want. I'm going to just march on towards my goal. Today, 2016, 10 years in the making. 10 years, exactly 10 years ago, what happened? My first $200,000 lost to today. When I look back, I can only sum up one thing: determined, perseverance, believe in yourself, believe in your goals, never give up, never trust anyone, never believe in tips. That few strong encouragement for myself in my mind works still today. And today I can let you know, I have thousands of students, I have thousands of people flocking every week wanting to come learn from me. And so this Friday, because yesterday was so huge in demand, so coming this Friday, I will open another session in early afternoon, 11:30 a.m. for those of you who wants to learn from me. Okay, I'll share with you guys what's called rotation, what's called growth stock, how I do my investment, what's called long-term investment, etc., etc. And I can share everything in less than an hour. Now, like I said, there's a lot of investment courses out there who charges 4 or 5 digits. I don't need all this. I prove you my record, and I don't need to learn fundamentals. I don't need to learn technicals. I don't have to read long reports. I don't have to trust anyone. All I need is how to read the chart effectively, and in just less than 2 minutes, I can tell you whether this stock is a growth stock or it's a bad stock, you know. And in just 1 second, I can tell you whether the market is going to go up or down. And I can also tell you which stock is going to move in just 1 second, okay? So I've trained myself to a whole new level. Like I said, I don't have to talk. I walk my talk. I prove my record. But more importantly, when opportunity knock, I will not miss any opportunity, because it doesn't always present itself like that. And when opportunity presents itself, I'm not going to go small. I'm not going to be a chicken. Okay? I'm made of steel, not plastic. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go a little bit bigger. In fact, triply or quadruply bigger as per my normal size. So I have to reap the maximum reward. Okay, guys? Okay, I think I've talked too much. But today I'm in a very good mood. I'm going to buy my team who helped me to succeed dinner or lunch. Last night I just had dinner with my team. I mean, everyone is happy. My team is progressing. And like I said, I've got a team. We are working very hard. We are hungry. We are serious about it. And we want to make a lot of money. And we are in the money. Okay? So any questions you can post in the comment section while I check my email. There's a lot of email coming in for my program now. It's a lot. So any questions, you just post it there. I will come back to you. Okay. There's no questions as usual. I don't know why, but it doesn't matter. I just want to announce here that very soon I have a live trading with me that you can see how I pick stocks and stuff like that. So for those who are interested, you guys know who you are. I'll post in my private forum. So just when I conduct a live trading, please come. By all means, learn from me, and from there you can see how I pick stocks, how I select carefully, how I know which stock is going to go up and down. So when I send the WhatsApp out to all of you about live trading, please try to make that 1 hour off and come and see how I do it. Okay guys, there'll be a lot of people, so please come early. Live trading is normally 9 to 10 o'clock, so please come by about 8:15, because by 8:30 I think 6 will be taken out. We will start at 9, but I'll do a briefing at 8:45. Okay, so watch out for our WhatsApp, wait for our WhatsApp. Okay, now guys, I've removed some people in this forum because I think they're not interested in making money, nor they're interested in learning whatsoever. So if you're removed, don't be offended, don't feel aloof, whatever it is. It's just that, you know, this is the way it is. While people are adding people to groups, I'm not adding people, I'm reducing people in my groups, because I only want people who are serious and passionate about making money like myself. If you find passion in the stock market or any job that you do, you can easily succeed. You know what I'm saying? Never give up, never believe in what people say. Always believe in yourself. Okay guys? Any questions about market or any questions about stocks, you can post it there now. Okay, while I'm watching my stocks. Okay, there's no questions. Now, I'll let you guys know, my August program is almost done. My August program is almost done. Like I said, there's a lot of people, a lot of them snap up the program, and I'm almost done. So my next program will be probably in October. So you're gonna wait another few more months. I don't know, because I've not get my schedule yet. So well, from now to August, I hope all of you can come for my live trading. All of you receive the WhatsApp, and we're going to bang the market and make the money that we want. Okay, this I'm very confident. Just going to be patient for a while. Okay. Okay, thoughts on Sino Brothers. I've been talking about Sino Brothers since the first day I did this video. Like I said, Sino Brothers is coming down. Look to short, don't look to long. Okay. Ron, what do you think about rate hike? Okay, Christina, you will learn from the program. I'm not watching about what rate hike. I don't watch news. Because news is not important to me. I'll teach you how to watch chart effectively, that you can buy before the rate hike news happen. Okay, so don't worry. Christine, go high flux. Let me take a look. Okay, Christine, if I'm reading the market correctly, high flux, not bad, but in the short term, you expect some sellers, and I want to see how strong these sellers are. If it's strong, the stock is going to come down. If it's weak, the stock is going to continue to go higher. Okay, before I continue, now I just want to share something. This is so important. This will demystify your myth. Now, as you can see, the market is very boring, and the market is coming down. Can you see the stocks I pick is moving up? So what does it mean? It means one thing. It means that some stocks, even though the market collapsing, even though Dow Jones is going to plunge 400 points, 500 points, it doesn't matter. As long as the stock is a growth stock, as long as the stock is strong, it doesn't matter about the overall general market, because the stock will still rise. And like I said many times, I don't have to prove it to you. As you can see from my record, I made about $70,000. My stock is rising while SDI is coming down. So that itself is a testament of my skills and knowledge and experience over the years. and I'm very confident I can impart this knowledge in less than 2 minutes. Okay, guys? So I hope you understand. Stocks, they are all not equal. They are different. And don't always think that the market come down, your stocks will collapse or your stocks will tank. Some stocks will just move up higher and higher. Okay? Ron, you said your portfolio was up 220,000. You share more insights about it again. Okay, John. Yeah, my portfolio is up. My portfolio was up 35,000. Like as of 2 days ago when I checked, it was up $35,000. As of the last time I checked, like 12 in the afternoon, it was like 30 minutes ago, I was up $70,000 already. So how do I do it? Like I said, John, you got to learn from me. You got to pick the right stock. Stock picking is very important. The buying and selling is not important, but the stock picking is very important, because when you don't have the right stock, it's impossible for you to click the buy button. Okay? Mr. Koo, you have to come for my SOMM sharing session. I think I shared many times, you missed many, so you got to come, okay? I'm not going to share it here. This is the public. I'm not going to share my personal trades live here. You know what I'm saying? It's just so risky, and I don't want anyone to follow me unless you're in my inner circle, okay? You got to come. Aliens Mineral, Jay, the market is not there to buy Aliens Mineral now, okay? Wilson, China MV, let me take a look. China Aviation, no, okay. Let me take a look. China Aviation. Okay, China Aviation, it looks like it can continue to trend higher, and but it's a little bit on the high side, so be careful a little bit. Expect some sellers to emerge, you know. So be careful a little bit. Hold on. China Aviation, yes, like I said, the stock is moving a little bit higher. Who knows? I bought China Aviation. Who knows? My swing trade is China Aviation. So like I said, I'm not going to share here. Like I said, there's a lot of people that I don't know. I'm very cautious, and I'm not going to share anything public like that. Okay? When you come for my private sharing session, you will learn many things more than what you see in the video. Okay? When you talk to me personally, when you talk to me live, you will see more things, because I can use the pen and paper to draw. Imperial Crown, Jiajun, no, thank you for signing the program, but Imperial Crown is a no-no. Okay, so I almost forgot to share with you guys one more thing. Guys, I gotta share you guys this very important trait about me. Okay, as most of you guys know, who are in my inner circle, you know I'm a very straightforward person, and I'm a very decisive person. That means if I want something, I'll get at all costs to get the job done. You know what I'm saying? So that itself is my philosophy in life. Because I tell you guys something, in my early days, I don't have a lot of things. Okay? What do I mean? In my early days, I'm not the best student. I lacked of... when I look for a job, I always got rejected. I am lowly paid on my first few jobs. Okay? And so my academic results is always C and D, which I cannot pass. So I know myself I'm very lousy in studies. So but there's one thing, I only know one thing. When I come out to work, I don't care how many A's you score in the school, or what degree or what doctorate you get. When you come out to work in the society, there's only one thing you're chasing, which is money. You agree? You don't work for free, you work for money. Okay? So if you're working for money, then there's one thing that is, I think, very important, that I can beat any single one of you. Okay, I shouldn't use the word. That means I can win any single one of you in this market. What is it? So, like I said, in my early days, I wasn't getting a job. I'm lowly paid and all this. I get a lot of obstacles in my life because people don't trust me. They look at me, I'm young, I can't do this and do that. But I'll tell you this, there's one thing I need to overcome. is emotion skills. What do I mean? If I can have the best emotion skills, I don't care about money so much. Money will come looking for me. For example, when you go to Orchard Road, you see a lot of people queue up for the free drinks, free ice cream. I know all these people are looking for free things. So if I tell myself, if I am not scrimmage on my money, I'm altruistic, I give out, I share, I buy people dinner, I buy people lunch, whatever it is. When I trade the market, all I care is not saving on commission, not getting at the best price. All I care is when I buy, I don't care if I pay you high commission, doesn't matter. As long as I buy, the stock run, my job is done, okay? So for myself, like I said, I'm a very decisive person. When I tell you this is this, that is that, I don't expect like people to come nego with me or ask me for discount whatsoever, because I cherish my work, I put in effort in my work, and I will not degrade my work. Okay guys? Okay, let me continue to watch. Roy, I've seen you registered many times. I think my team or my assistant have called you, so you better come on Friday. If you miss it, don't register anymore. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people who register for my event, but they don't turn up. Most of them don't turn up, but there's still a lot of people who came. So if you register but you don't turn up, trust me, don't register anymore. You're just wasting your time, you know, because the market wait for no man. So if the stock is going to run and you register, you don't see me, and the stock ran, and you're just going to buy a higher price, you know. Like I said, I cherish opportunity because it don't always present itself. So if you register but you cannot come, I expect you to write a follow-up email to me and say, hey Ron, I can't come, or Ron, I cannot attend. Rather than register, don't bother. This is called responsibility and accountability, which I think this is very important, because you are taking the seats out of other people, but you're just not coming. Okay, so I repeat here again, if you register and you don't come, just don't come, okay? Don't bother also, okay? Add value tag, Ryan, no, it's not a stock for now. Intera Resource, Mistan, not for now, okay? Imperial Crown, Chiajin, no, okay? Okay, like I said, any more questions before I end this video? I think I shared a little bit about myself, about my decisiveness, and I'm like a no-nonsense person. If you really come and talk to me, you will know I'm like a no-nonsense person. I don't entertain people who are half-hearted. You know what I'm saying? You must be serious, you must be passionate, and you must be hungry. Then you will succeed in life. You know what I'm saying? Okay? Any more questions? I hope this life story that I shared with you about my early struggles in my life will spur you guys to work harder. It doesn't matter about what people think. The most important is what you think about yourself. What people think is not important. What you think about yourself is much more important than what other people say about you, you know. And the world is changing very fast, so you're gonna move or you'll be obsolete. Okay? Okay, now Momo's done for today. Yuzu, Jackie, no. Like I said, all these stocks that you guys pick, like I said, every single stock that you guys pick is not the team in play. Okay, so definitely not for now. Maybe except for China Aviation. That was one of the super growth stock. Who knows I'm inside, who knows I'm not, but like I said, I'm not sharing public life, okay? So, okay. If there's no more questions, I'll end this video here. I've got some work to do. Okay. CapitaLand is a good buy under $3. No. Now, Nico, I tell you this, I don't know about pricing. I repeat again, I don't know about pricing, but I know something. The time for CapitaLand to run is not here yet. So if you buy now, it's not going to run, okay? Yoma, okay. I'm quite bullish on Yoma. Like I post in my private forum early in the morning, I'm quite bullish on my Yoma. I'm quite bullish in Yoma, but I need to get it at the right time. Okay, the timing is very important. If you get it at the wrong time, you buy and the stock is not moving, you're just gonna waste your time. Okay. I like your style, a confident person behavior. Thank you, Diana. That's my behavior over the years, because people have been telling me that I cannot do many things. Like I'm an O-level. Like I just graduated from O-level, and people tell me, hey, you cannot succeed. You know what? Today a lot of them look for me, and I got ex-colleagues, I got ex-students, I even got ex-teachers. Yesterday I saw my teacher, ex-teachers from my secondary school looking for me for my investment advice. But I told them that you got to sign for my program. There's no way I can teach you for free. Okay? How do you think of Yoma? Like I said, Yoma is not bad, so watch for the right time to enter. So if you want to know how to speak the right time, if you want to know how to do timing, like I said, there's no free lunch in this world. If there's free lunch, you guys won't be the one eating, I'll be the one eating first. So you're going to learn from me, like I said, okay? Jiajun, thanks for your advice, looking forward to learn. Yes, no worries, Jiajun, I will share with you everything that I have for the program you sign. So work hard and don't worry, it's a 2-day program, but subsequently I will see you quite often because I conduct frequent sharing sessions all for free. Okay, it's value for money definitely. Okay guys. Okay guys, if there's no more questions, any more questions? If there's no more questions, I'll end this video here. But I just want to give one advice to inspiring traders or seasoned traders. The market is changing. The blue chips like CapitaLand, DBS, Capital Corp, City Development, they all belong to blue chips. They all belong to developed countries. So if you want to make money, don't buy blue chip. Look for growth stock for investment. That's what I did, and that's how I made $70,000 in my current investment portfolio. Okay guys, I know how to play this game. I've been playing this game for the past 10 years. I know how the game is orchestrated. So if you want to learn from me, go to my blog, register for this coming Friday. If you want to know how to get my WhatsApp, you want to be inside my WhatsApp group, go to my blog, register for this coming Friday, 11:30 a.m. and try your best to come. And guys, I gotta tell you this thing. If you're very determined, if you are someone who wants to succeed, but you cannot come on Friday, I tell you this guys, there's always a way that you will find a time, or I should say there's always a way, you will always find a solution to come. You know what I'm saying? You can take a 1-hour leave, or you can tell your boss you're going to go for medical checkup. I don't know what is it, but if today I tell you, this Friday I'm putting $10,000 for those who come here today. Every one of you who come today, come on Friday, you're going to take $10,000. I guarantee you, I put my head on the line. All of you will find an excuse, find a solution to come this coming Friday. So it's like I said, it really depends on how much you want. Okay, so if you think you cannot make it, don't bother register. You know what I'm saying? Make sure when you register, you come, because I'm confident this Friday I'm going to show you something. This Friday, I'm very confident. I'm going to show you something that will change your life. For those of you who already came for my workshop before, don't bother coming. Come for my sharing sessions, probably next week, and my live trading soon. So those who registered before, those who already signed my program, don't have to come. Only for those who want to hear from me live in person, please register. Okay guys, so here I will end my session here. I hope I shared with you guys many things. Like I said, my style is I'm not going to do much marketing, put my face on many medium. No, if you search me, if you see me, if you manage to search me in Google or Facebook, if you see me, it's the fit between you and me. Because if you realize I don't appear in many websites or many medium or many newspaper article. No, I don't advertise. I believe in faith. If you see me, if I see you, you search for me, we are fated to meet each other. Okay guys? Because all investments, all marketing, they are there to do sales. I'm not there to do that kind of thing. I'm there to show you a real, raw, hard skill that will last you a lifetime. Okay guys? So here, like I said, I'll end the session. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys, most of you guys, on Friday again, for those who have not seen me live in person yet. I repeat again, next week is going to be an important week. Maybe we're going to do live trading, maybe we're not, but wait for my WhatsApp to be sent out, okay? Here, thank you so much. And I'll end my session here. I'll see you guys later in the afternoon again, for those who are in my SOMM group. Okay guys, thank you. Bye-bye.